Welcome students. Myself Tushar Basant Patil. I am a lecturer in Anna Savarkar College Mansar. Since last 10 years, I am working as a junior college teacher in the same institution since 25 years. Today, I am going to explain the new syllabus of class 12 science stream of HSC board Maharashtra. Especially the subject is mathematics. It's paper 1 and the first topic is the mathematical logic from this paper. As it is new syllabus 2021, let us learn it properly. Mathematical logic. The first thing is logic. What is the meaning of logic? Logic is a science of reasoning. In Marathi we can call it as Tarkashastra. Nowadays we require a communication with our society and we use the strong medium language to communicate with students, with people. And sentence is one of the most important part in the communication, in the language. And we are going to learn today a special type of sentence, statement. The first part is statement, and following to this there is a notation of a statement. Third part is truth value of a statement, and fourth part is non-statements. Let us start from statement. Let me ask you one question. I am writing here 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. What comes in your mind? This is wrong. 2 plus 3 is 5. So the first reaction is this is a wrong statement. It is a false statement. So a sentence which is false is a statement. Similarly, I write here Delhi is a capital of India. It is correct. It is true. So it is a statement. Now I am coming to the definition, the meaning of a statement. A sentence which is either true or false is known as a statement. A statement is not both simultaneously, not true, not false. It is either true or false. So the first word is clear, statement. Notation of a statement, we use the small letters P, Q, R and so on to denote the statement. Suppose 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. It is a statement, notation is small p. Q, x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 for x is equal to minus 2. This is a statement, symbol Q. Similarly, we can use letter R, letter S to denote the statement. Third point, truth value. If a statement is true, then truth value is capital T. And if a statement is false, then truth value is capital F. Now let us write here 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. This is clearly a false statement. So F is its truth value. For x equal to minus 2. See left side, minus 2 square 4 plus 2 6. 3 into minus 2 minus 6. The total sum becomes 0. For x equal to minus 2, it is true. So the truth value is capital T. Let us learn more sentences which are not statements. The first thing is, please shut the window. Second, what is your name? stand up. The fourth one is mathematics is an interesting subject. See, in the first sentence there is a request. In the second sentence there is a question. In third there is an order. And in the fourth sentence, mathematics is an interesting subject. So what is your opinion? This feeling varies from person to person. For me, it is always interesting. For other person, it is not interesting. So all these sentences are not statements. One more thing is there. X plus 3 is equal to 5. Now what is your opinion about this sentence? X plus 3 is equal to 5. It is true when x is equal to 2. And it is false for all other remaining values of x. So it is neither true nor false, or true or false for different values of x. So it is not a statement. Simply we can say that the sentences which contain request, suggestion, order, question or doubtful sentences, these are not statements. Such sentences, for example, mathematics is an interesting subject, it varies from person to person, we cannot tell. Or let us take one more sentence. He is tall. It is false or true, we cannot tell. He is tall, unless and until we know who he is. He is taller than me, he is shorter than me. So there is no question of truth value. So this is not statements. Sentence 6, sentence 4, sentence 5, 4, 5, 6. Such sentences are known as open sentences. These are not true, neither true nor false. This is all about these 4 points of the first topic, statement. Let us take some examples. Let us check whether a given sentence is a statement let us find its truth values. Let us learn logical connectives. We can connect two simple statements using some words or phrases like and, or, if then, if and only if. There are some words, some phrases, and one more is there, not. Using these 4 connectives and a word, 5th word, not, let us construct compound statements. Suppose P, 5 is a prime number. And statement Q is 25 is a perfect square. How can we connect these two statements using and? See, P, the symbolic form of and is like this, or is this shape. If then there is arrow, if and only if two-sided arrow, and negation is sign of similarity. Let us use these symbols, these connectives, and construct compound statements. Now, P and Q, symbolic form. How can we convert it into verbal form? What is P? 5 is a prime number, symbol is and Q 25 is a perfect square. So how to write? 5 is a prime number and 25 is a perfect square. This is verbal form, this one is symbolic form. When we connect two statements P and Q using AND, the compound statement is called as conjunction. Conjunction using AND. Now let us learn second compound statements using OR. P symbol or Q, same statements. 5 is a prime number. Now replace AND by OR. Or 25 is a perfect square. When we connect two statements using OR, this compound statement is called as disjunction. Now third is if then. By using this phrase, write if first, then part P, then write then and part Q. Symbol P implies Q. How to read? P implies Q. If 5 is a prime number, then 25 is a perfect square. See, I use here if then. This is known as implication. There is one more word for it, conditional. Similarly, the fourth one is, let us name it first. The fourth one is biconditional. We use here if and only if. Now, how can we convert these two statements into a compound statement using if and only if? The symbolic form is P biconditional Q, two-sided arrow. How to read it? 5 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. If and only if 25 is a perfect square. So what we have done here, we use AND, make conjunction, we use OR, disjunction, if then, implication or conditional, if and only if, biconditional. Now the fifth one is, what is the use of word while constructing a statement using not? See, it's negation. It is known as negation. How to use? If P, suppose P is, our statement is 5 is a prime number. How can we write this statement using not? Simply, 5 is not a prime number. Not a prime number. And the first one is P, and second is it's not, it is denoted by negation P. This symbol of similarity is for negation, negation P. Or we can read it as, it is false that 5 is a prime number. That is the negation. So we learn here 5 logical connectives. Now let us go to to the truth values. Let us check, let us learn what happens if there are different combinations of the truth values of the statements. See, truth table of logical connectives. The first one is conjunction, that is and, symbol is like this. If there are two statements P and Q, there are 4 different combinations. Both are true. First is true, second is false. First is false, second is true, and both are false. See, all these 4 combinations we are going to use in throughout the chapter. Now, what is their conjunction? See, P and Q is the symbolic form. Remember one thing, the conjunction of two statements P and Q is true only once when both are true. The conjunction is true. In remaining 3 cases, it is false. Similarly, second, disjunction or symbol phi like this, P or Q, same combination. Here once again, how to remember, like conjunction for disjunction, see what happens. Disjunction of two statements P and Q is false only once when both are false. Both are false are here, so it is false here. In remaining 3 cases, it is true always. Next, third one is conditional. If then, symbol arrow, P implies Q. Same combination of P and Q. See, implication or conditional is false only once when first is true and second is false. So in the second combination, it is false, TF, it is false. In remaining 3 cases, it is true. And the last one is, fourth is biconditional. Double implication, if and only if. What is its truth table? See, P biconditional Q, same entries. Say biconditional for these 4 combinations. Biconditional of two statements is true when both are same. It means when both are true, their biconditional is true. When both are false, biconditional is true. And remaining 2 cases, it is false. That is, when both are different, then their biconditional is false. So this is the overall truth table of these 4 connectives. What happens? What about negation? See, if P is true, its negation is false. And conversely, if P is false, its negation is true. So this is the truth table of negation. Negation truth table. Truth table of conjunction, disjunction, implication, biconditional and negation. Let us revise. See how to remember. AND of two statements, conjunction of two statements is true only once when both are true. See here, remaining three cases are false. Disjunction OR of two statements is false only once when both are false, it is false. Remaining three cases it is true. Implication or conditional is false only once when first is true, second is false. First true, second false, it is false. And biconditional of two statements is true twice when both are true and both are false. True, true. And both are different when one is true, second is false, or vice versa. Conversely, it is false. So it is very easy to remember the truth table. Throughout the chapter, we are going to use the main thing is the chapter is that truth table of the logical connectives. It's very important. Now, what is the next thing? Using the truth table, now we can write truth value of any statement pattern. Now the next point is statement pattern. Sorry, it is right like that. Before going to the next point, let us take some examples. See, the question is that, write symbolic form of the following compound statements. The first one is Rome is in Italy and Paris is in France. Paris is in France. See, divide the compound statement in three parts. The first statement is, call it as P. Second is connective AND. Third is statement Q. So what is the symbolic form of these compound statements? Let how to write answer? Let P, Rome is in Italy. Q, second part. Third part, what is second statement? Paris is in France. And there is connective AND, so symbolic form. This part is P, this part is Q, and symbol for AND is like this. So symbolic form is ready there. It is P and Q, symbolic form. See, it's C here. It's C here. I'm sorry. Now, can we write in the symbolic form the Same statement, if there is only replacement is that, the change is that if there is or between these two statements, then what will happen? What is symbolic form? Say it is a second compound statement, P first part, Q second part, and R symbol is phi. So what is the symbolic form? It is P or Q. Third, if there is a conditional, if Rome is in Italy, then Paris is in France. If then it is implication, this statement is P, this is Q. If then has symbol one head arrow, so it is P implies Q. Fourth one is Rome is in Italy if and only if and only if Paris is in France. See, this is biconditional. First part is P, second part is Q, and the connective is if and only if it is both sided arrow. So symbolic form of the fourth compound statement is P biconditional Q. So the first question is like this. It will be asked for 1 mark for one sentence statement to write the given verbal form of a compound statement into symbolic form. Now, the second question is, the second part is now write the truth value of the following compound statements. First, yes, statements. First, 5 into 2 is equal to 10 and 5 plus 2 is equal to 9. Obviously it is a conjunction. This part is P, this part is Q, and a symbol is like this. Call it how to write solution. Answer, let P 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Statement Q, 5 plus 2 is equal to 9. What is the symbolic form? Symbolic form P, the phrase is or word is and, the connective is and, P and Q. In the last lecture, what we have done, we write truth value of a single statement. Now we are going to write truth value of a compound statement. When there is a combination of two statements, there is a compound statement, and the first one is conjunction and of two statements. Now what we need to write its truth value? Once again we need truth table, the overall truth table of the connectives. Let us write it in a small nature here. P, Q, P and Q, P or Q, P implies Q, P biconditional Q. The entries are T, T, F, F, first column, second column, T, F, T, F. So what we know now, this is of the form and conjunction. So what we know about and? Let us remember, let us recall, it is true only once when both are true, otherwise it is false. Let us write example by example. Let us fill these blanks example by example. Now what we need, truth value of each statement. What is P? 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Of course it is true. Capital T, truth value. Second Q, 5 plus 2 is equal to 9, it is given here, but we know that it is 7, so it is false. Now symbolic form of the statements is P and Q, and it is equivalent to symbolic form of their truth values. P is true and Q is false. So true and false has truth value. See from truth table. True, first true, second false, it is false. So the truth value of this compound statement is false. Therefore truth value of P and Q is equal to false. Similarly, second, 7 into 2 is equal to 49, or 7 plus 2 is equal to 14. See, take P once again, the first part, second part is Q, our symbol is like this. The symbolic form is P or Q. Now truth value. What is P? 7 into 2, it is 14, it is given to be 49, so it is false. Or symbolic form or, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, but given to be, it is given to be 40, it is once again false. What we need, if we don't observe the truth table, what is our method to remember the truth table? We know that disjunction or of two statement is false only once when both are false. The same case is here, so no need to see the truth table. So F or F, it is F. The third one is if square of 5 is 25, then Pune is in Maharashtra. So if then, this is the conditional or implication. What is symbolic form? If this part is P, second part is Q, the symbolic form is P implies Q. Now truth values. Square of 5 is 25, it is true. P implies Q. Pune is in Maharashtra, it is also true. So once again let us recall, implication of two statement is false only once when first is true and second is false. In remaining three cases it is true. So this is one of the remaining three cases. So true implies true, it is true. See, true, 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 false. It is false only once. TF, true, true, true. Now, what about the fourth one? It is true when both are true. It is true when both are false. It is false 2 times when both are different. Now take fourth statement. Five into 2 is equal to 10 if and only if five plus 2 is equal to 9. This is a type of a double implication, biconditional. See, the first part is P, second part is Q, and its symbolic form is P biconditional Q, and we know that 5 plus 2 is equal to 10, it is true. 5 plus 2 is equal to 9, it is false. So it is a biconditional of T F. So we know that when both are different, truth value is F. See here, when T F, truth value is F, so is equal to F. So this is all about truth values of compound statements using truth table or remembering truth table.
Biconditional Q, the last one. Truth value, the last. The symbol is not the table.
P biconditional Q. Yes, I'm sorry. P biconditional Q. Correct. Truth value of symbolic form P biconditional Q is F.